In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show a discount in Freshbooks. This can be a handy feature if you're looking to offer your clients a special rate or incentive on their invoices. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process together. To begin, you'll want to navigate over to the Invoices section within Freshbooks. Once you're there, go ahead and click on the New Invoice button. This will open up a new invoice form where you can start inputting the details for your client's billing. It's an intuitive interface, so don't worry if you're new to this. Next comes the part where you'll need to fill in all the necessary information. Start by entering your client's details as usual, ensuring everything is accurate and up to date. Then, move on to adding the line items. These line items are the products or services you're billing your client for, so be sure to include a clear description, quantity, and price for each. Once you've filled in all your basics, it's time to apply that special discount. Just look for and click on the Add a Discount hyperlink. This link is typically located just below the subtotal section of your invoice. It's pretty straightforward, but if you can't see it right away, just take a moment to ensure you're looking below the list of line items. After you've clicked on Add a Discount, you'll be prompted to enter the percentage you'd like to discount. Think about the amount that makes sense for your business and your current client relationship. Enter that number, and Freshbooks will automatically calculate the new total for you. It's a convenient way to make sure your math is spot on without any manual calculations. Once you've entered the discount percentage, you'll see the discount applied to the total of your invoice right away. The reduced total will be automatically updated, giving your client a clear view of how much they're saving. This transparency can be a great way to build trust and foster stronger client relationships. And there you have it. You've successfully shown a discount on an invoice in Freshbooks. Whether you're rewarding a loyal client or trying to attract new business, this feature is a powerful tool to have in your billing repertoire. Just remember to review the invoice thoroughly before sending it off, ensuring that all details, including the discount, are exactly how you want them. Hopefully, this walkthrough makes the process easy to follow, and you'll be able to apply discounts seamlessly in the future. Feel free to explore other features within Freshbooks to further optimize your invoicing activities. Thanks for watching, and happy invoicing.